What if I told you that right now, somewhere in America, an ordinary person is making money while sleeping using AI? No office, no huge business, no millionaire connections, just a laptop, internet, and the ability to use artificial intelligence smarter than everyone else. And the craziest part? Most people still think AI is only for tech geniuses, programmers, or giant companies. But that's completely wrong, because right now, thousands of ordinary Americans are quietly using AI tools to build side hustles, online businesses, and passive income streams from their bedrooms, apartments, coffee shops, and even college dorm rooms. And today, I'm going to show you real AI, money-making ideas that actually work in 2026. No fake become rich overnight promises, no scam crypto projects, no unrealistic guru nonsense. These are genuine opportunities that real people are using to make money right now, because we're living through one of the biggest technological shifts in modern history. The internet changed the world, smartphones changed the world, social media changed the world, and now AI is creating another massive shift, one that could completely change how millions of people work and earn money over the next decade. The scary part is that most people are still ignoring it. They think AI is the future without realizing the future already arrived. Businesses are already using AI, creators are already using AI, freelancers are already using AI, and the people who learn these tools early are gaining a massive advantage while everyone else wastes time scrolling social media all day. That's why this matters so much, because for the first time in history, ordinary people have access to tools powerful enough to compete with entire companies. Years ago, building a business required employees, expensive software, offices, equipment, and huge startup costs. Today, one creative person with AI can do the work that once required entire teams. That changes everything. And honestly, most people still don't understand how huge this opportunity really is. One of the biggest AI opportunities exploding in America right now is AI content creation and repurposing. Attention online has become one of the most valuable things in the world. Every business wants more views. Every creator wants more followers. Every brand wants more engagement. But creating content consistently is exhausting. That's why AI is becoming so powerful. Imagine a YouTuber uploads one long podcast episode, normally turning that into TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, tweets, captions, blogs, thumbnails, and emails could take an entire editing team. But now AI tools can dramatically speed up the process. One person can repurpose a single video into dozens of pieces of content in a few hours. Businesses are paying serious money for this because content equals attention, and attention equals money. Many freelancers in the US are charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month helping creators manage AI-powered content systems. And the craziest part is that you don't even need to become famous yourself. You simply help other people grow faster using AI tools. This is why AI editing, thumbnail design, caption writing, script generation, and short-form video creation are exploding right now. Companies understand that short-form content dominates the internet. TikTok changed the entire attention economy. YouTube Shorts exploded. Instagram Reels became essential, and every creator is now desperate for consistent content. AI allows one skilled person to produce content at speeds that were impossible just a few years ago. But here's what most people misunderstand. AI does not replace creativity. It amplifies creativity. Someone with storytelling skills, marketing knowledge, and emotional understanding becomes far more powerful when using AI tools. That's why smart people aren't afraid of AI. They're learning how to combine human creativity with AI speed. Another massive opportunity growing rapidly in America is AI-assisted freelancing. And honestly, this is probably the easiest entry point for beginners starting from zero. Platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com are filled with businesses searching for writers, marketers, customer support managers, social media assistants, email creators, ad copywriters, and SEO specialists. Years ago, doing this work required huge amounts of time. Today, AI dramatically speeds up production. For example, someone can use AI to help write blog articles for small businesses. Another person might create product descriptions for e-commerce brands. Others use AI to build simple customer support systems or automated email campaigns. And here's the important part. Businesses care about results, not whether you used AI. If you save them time or help them make more money, they'll pay you. That's how business works. Some freelancers are now doing the work of 3 or 4 people because AI makes them more efficient. That efficiency creates opportunity. And unlike traditional businesses, many AI freelancing services require almost no startup money. You don't need a fancy office. You don't need expensive equipment. Sometimes all you need is internet access, consistency, and the willingness to learn. That's why this opportunity is so powerful for ordinary people. In previous generations, financial opportunities were limited by geography and connections. Today, someone living in a small apartment can work with clients across the entire country using AI-powered tools. This is one of the biggest economic shifts happening right now, and most people still don't realize how early we are. Another real AI business becoming extremely profitable is AI thumbnail creation and ad design. Most people completely underestimate how valuable attention has become online. A single thumbnail can determine whether a YouTube video gets ignored or goes viral. One advertisement can completely change whether a company loses money or becomes massively profitable. Businesses understand this. Creators understand this. That's why companies are constantly searching for better visuals, stronger branding, and more engaging marketing content. AI image tools are now allowing designers to create cinematic visuals faster than ever before. YouTubers need thumbnails every week. E-commerce brands need product ads. Coaches need social media graphics. Real estate agents need promotional content. Small businesses need attention-grabbing visuals. The demand is endless. And because AI speeds up the design process, creative people can now serve more clients while producing higher quality work. Some thumbnail designers charge hundreds of dollars for a single design because they understand psychology, they understand curiosity, they understand how humans react emotionally to visuals. That's the real skill. AI simply helps them execute faster. The same thing is happening with video editing. Businesses know short-form content dominates social media now, but many people still don't know how to create engaging videos with fast cuts, subtitles, hooks, music, and retention-focused editing. AI tools help automate parts of this process while still allowing human creativity to control the final product. That's why AI is creating opportunity instead of destroying all opportunity. The people winning right now are the people combining human creativity with AI efficiency. And honestly, this trend is only getting bigger. One of the smartest AI income strategies in 2026 is building faceless content channels. This is becoming huge in America because many people want online income without showing their face constantly. AI now allows creators to generate scripts, voiceovers, visuals, captions, editing ideas, and even thumbnails faster than ever before. That means one person can potentially run multiple YouTube channels, TikTok pages, Instagram accounts, or motivational content brands from home. Some channels focus on finance, others focus on motivation, history, sports, celebrity news, storytelling, luxury lifestyles, business, or self-improvement. And here's the crazy part. Some faceless channels generate thousands of dollars per month through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Of course, success still takes time. Most people fail because they quit after uploading 5 videos. But the people who stay consistent and improve their storytelling slowly build momentum. AI simply lowers the barrier to entry. Years ago, creating videos required expensive editing skills, cameras, voice actors, and huge amounts of time. Now AI tools dramatically reduce production difficulty. But this is where mindset matters. Many people keep searching for easy money. That mindset destroys them because AI isn't magic. AI rewards action. It rewards consistency. It rewards people willing to learn storytelling, attention psychology, audience retention, and marketing. The people earning real money with AI are treating it like a long-term skill instead of a temporary trend. And honestly, this is exactly how every technological revolution works. During the early days of YouTube, most people ignored it. During the early days of social media, most people ignored it. During the early days of online businesses, most people ignored it. Then years later, everybody wished they started earlier. AI feels exactly the same right now. Another growing opportunity is AI automation for small businesses. And this area might become one of the biggest money-making industries of the next decade. Most small businesses are overwhelmed with repetitive tasks, responding to customer emails, booking appointments, answering common questions, managing schedules, sending reminders, following up with leads. AI tools can now automate many of these systems, and business owners are willing to pay for anything that saves them time. Imagine helping a local dentist automate appointment reminders, or helping a real estate office organize customer inquiries automatically, or helping a gym create AI-powered email follow-ups for new clients. These systems can genuinely improve businesses while creating income opportunities for ordinary people. The reason this market is growing so quickly is because most small business owners don't understand AI themselves. They know they need technology, but they don't know how to implement it. That creates opportunity for people willing to learn. And again, you don't need to become a coding genius. Many AI automation tools today are designed for regular people. The real value comes from understanding business problems and helping solve them. That's what people always pay for: solutions. not technology alone. This is why communication skills remain incredibly important even in the AI era. Someone who understands people, psychology, and business can use AI far more effectively than someone relying only on technical knowledge. And honestly, this is where many young Americans have a huge advantage right now. They're adapting faster than older industries. They're experimenting earlier. They're building online skills while others still think AI is just a trend. But trends don't completely change global industries. Technological shifts do. The truth is, AI is creating one of the biggest wealth opportunities of this generation. But most people will still miss it. Not because AI doesn't work, but because most people never stay consistent long enough to benefit from anything. They get excited for 1 week, then quit the moment results aren't instant. Real success still requires patience. Real businesses still require effort. Real money still requires skill. AI simply gives ordinary people leverage that never existed before. It allows faster learning, faster production, faster scaling, faster creativity. But the people who succeed will still be the people willing to outwork average thinking. Because at the end of the day, humans still buy emotions. Humans still follow stories. Humans still trust people. AI accelerates execution, but human creativity still matters. And honestly, we are still extremely early in this shift. 10 years from now, people will probably look back at this period the same way people now look back at the early internet era. The people who adapted early changed their lives completely. So the question isn't whether AI will create money-making opportunities. That's already happening right now across America. The real question is whether you'll spend the next few years learning these tools while the opportunity is still early, or wait until everyone else finally catches up.